guys, back. My name is Senki from Digislots. I hope you enjoyed the first display opening. Now we got to the second box right here. Right, left, head button on the display, head button on the display, head button on the display, head button on the display. For the like button and subscribe for free to having nice additional videos and giveaways. Like my head like going a little bit on crazy right here. But I hope you enjoy Christmas, guys. I hope my video is doing well and give you a nice time on Christmas. We're getting now to the video. So, to the opening. Wargreymon. And we got the text. Oh, right here. Like here, you see the art of the text. I hope we now getting a chase card that we want. So we make the music going on. Keramon, Wizardmon, Palmon, Megarumon, Kurisarimon, Gomamon, Metamamamon, Greymon, Garurumon, Phoenixmon, Screwgreymon, and Mega Kabuterimon. I wish you hit analog, but thank you, Foxy, thank you very much. I want to hit one of Meshanjimon or Analog Buff as well. Imperialmon is like my chase card. Biomon, Angemon, Tapiamon, Tetranomon, Tentumon, Phoenixmon, Rosemon. Then we're getting to Patamon, Attack Greymon, and Wargreymon. Our first super rare hit. Our first super rare hit. Wargreymon box topper and Wargreymon rare, super rare. Red and black. Maybe that's a thing later on the days. Maybe that's a thing, red and black. We don't know yet. Chogemon, Guadramon, Gomamon, Biomon, Wizardmon, Palmon, Metataranomon, Phoenixmon, Megadramon, Plesiomon, Unlock Youth, and we have here our Ardart, so we put that to the side, and it's a yellow card as well, so we have the additional new Ardarts. Head button on the display, head button on the display, head button on the display. Only right here, so I think I know this Ardart. Stingmon, Biomon, Salamon, Sudomon, Palmon, Metamamamon, Gomamon, Dinobimon, Gabumon, Boltmon, Mega Kabuterimon, and Hercules Kabuterimon. The big ones. We're getting now to the Ardart I want to showcase you guys. I hope it's not a duplicate. I'll show you guys first and I don't show the VOD, okay? Is it good? Is it cool? It's Magna Angemon. I don't have this one, but I don't like this. They're not Ardarts I want. They are not Ardarts I want, sadly. It's a cool card. Like, really nice card, but I don't like the style of Ardarts. I like the other ones. I like this one with the shape, with the pixel and the games like behind that. I like this Ardarts as well more. XVmon, Kurisarimon, Devimon, Hagurumon, Tapiamon, Garudamon, Metataranomon, Lilymon, Metaletemon, Agumon, Vemon, and Seraphimon. This is rare. All the time I think Seraphimon is like a higher rare. We got Keramon, Palmon, Metamamamon, Sudomon, Garudamon, Metataranomon, Stingmon, Metaletemon, Patamon, Greymon, Kuwagamon, and Tyrannomon. You make a big pack. You want like a God Digimon pack. We don't have this right now here. Only Pokemon. 3 packs. We want to have a lot of cards here stacked up. Big 1 pack of Digimon cards. Wizardmon, Vegarumon, Guadramon, Gomamon, Angemon, Kurisarimon, Devimon, Boltmon, Garurumon, Lady Devimon, Tyrannomon is our rare, Angemon is our super rare hit, Devimon, Megadramon, Andromon, XVmon, Hagurumon, Tentomon, Biomon, Birdramon, Dinobimon, Miotismon. Win rate 60% is a really good card as well. Like Ultimate Connection, Pseudomon, Palmon, XVmon, Hagurumon. Can we make another hit? Ikakumon, Togemon, Elecmon, Kabuterimon, Agumon, Piedmon, Pedramon, and Fight for Your Pride. Cool cards. A big Digimon pack. We sleeve up the Angemon. Yeah, I don't get this. I'm not lucky. Like, the only thing lucky was 2 Dominant. I only pulled now from 3 displays 1 Imperial German Dragon mode. This was the only card I want. Megadramon, Togemon, Emashidramon, of course, but 5 Aldats I don't want. Send me this display. Megarumon. Then I get $10 from you, bro. Tentomon, Guadramon, Gatomon, Miotismon, Garurumon, Fight for Your Bride, and the next Aldat. It looks like really cool. Metagramon. Metagramon looks cool, but another chase card from me as well, but it looks really nice. Okay. Tyrannomon. Maybe we get another secret rare hit. XVmon, Stingmon, Andromon, Devimon, Birdramon, Etemon, Kabuterimon, Pedramon, and Metagramon. This was the R that we're getting here. Maybe the last box we have for the Digi Burst. Maybe we can win with this. Crusarimon, Regarumon, Tyrannomon, Angemon, Wizardmon, Biomon, Gardramon, Rosemon, Gabumon, Megadramon, Emergency Shut Program Shutdown, and Kuwagamon. We want to hit 1 Imperial Dramon, please. 1 Dragon Mode. And we have with 3 Dragon Modes I can play the deck. With 2 I cannot. Palmon, Hagurumon, Tapiamon, Tentomon, Vegarumon, Keramon, Devimon, Patamon, Greymon, Lady Devimon, Ogremon, Pheromon. Tapiamon, Keramon, Stingmon, Tamamemon, Devimon, Tentomon, Gomamon, Plesiomon, Gatomon, Etemon, Seraphimon, and ooh, nice Imperial Diamond Dragon mode. That's what I'm talking about. I want this Imperial Diamond Dragon mode. Whew. Nice. Yeah. So we have 5 hits. No, I don't care what I'm getting. Maybe another Metamamemon, Gomamon, Garadramon, Salamon, Guadramon, Pseudomon, Angemon, Metal Etemon, Garurumon, Agumon, Seraphimon, and Vimon. I need the Lord Metagramon. Ah, that looks so good. Like a fan favorite, I guess. Devimon, Magdramon, Elecmon, Andromon, Togemon, Ikakumon, Wizardmon, Birdramon, Etemon, Lilymon, Ice Wall, and Emergency. We got 5 analog boys. I don't know how much Ice Wall we got, so this like not so much rares. This display. Tentomon, Tapiamon, Guadramon, Vegarumon, Angemon, Hagurumon, Pseudomon, Gabumon, Lady Devimon. Like Imperial German Alert is one of the most expensive. Rosemon, Metagramon, and Screwgramon. This is one of the most expensive I want. And Pedramon I want. These two are my chase because I want to play the deck. And when not, I need to buy the next one. So. Oh, Alert. Is that a nice set to collect the Alerts? 100%. Kakumon, Togemon, Megadramon, Andromon, Devimon, Guadramon, Salamon, Greymon, Lilymon, Phoenixmon, Leomon, and Persistent by Fire. I guess I buy them when BT7 coming out, because BT7 cards are hyped up and these cards don't play so much, and the others like getting away because the new guys want to look at the new others. So Tentomon, Metachirandomon, Megarurumon, Demidevimon, Salamon, Metalmamemon, Elecmon, Lilymon, Mewtwo'smon, Patamon, Vmon und oh nice, Diabolmon. Seeing this bad boy as well. Good to have it for the Diabolmon deck list. So, Tapiamon, Biomon, Keramon, Palmon, Garudamon, Angemon, Eximon, Birdramon, Magnadramon, Gabumon, Ultimate Collection, nice, and Menace Mewtwo'smon. Getting as well here from the display. How much Ice Wall we have right now, sorry guys. 2 Ice Walls. Like this was the big rares you want to hit here. It was the display with not much rare hit. We have the last one, so Eximon, Keramon, maybe we got Machinedramon as well again. Singmon, Devimon, Metalmamemon, Salamon, Kurisarimon, Dinobimon, Pythmon, Kabuterimon, Analog Youth, nice, and Kabuterimon. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 hits. Maybe we have luck. Gomamon, Stingmon, Hagurumon, Sudomon, Kurisarimon, Wizardmon, Guardramon, Rosemon, Gatomon, Kabuterimon, Winray, nice, and ending on the Vmon. Thanks guys for watching again this nice opening. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for supporting me. Have a nice day. Have a nice holiday. Cheers, thank you.